everyone, I want to go over a trade I took today on SOFI on February 12th. As you can see, we have the daily chart pulled up. I had my alert set on the previous day low from Wednesday, February 11th. And today, once we broke that level, we trended pretty much all day to the downside. The market was pretty weak, which helped out. And you can see we kind of bounced off just about these Thursday's low. We ended up right around that same level. So tomorrow, I'll be looking for a break of today's lows that we created around $19. So if I go to the 10-minute, you can see we broke the previous day low. Here's that red line, that pink and red flashing line that I'm hovering over. That's my alert. We broke my alert. We closed under. That is a key part of this system. We have to break and we also have to close. That gives me confirmation that we broke the level. If we just wicked, then I don't have a play at all. Got to wait for a break and close. Closed under. Then this is the candle that got me excited right here. This is the one that told me, okay, it's time to enter. So we broke, closed below previous day low. Then we came back up, started forming this candle. You can see it started to wick higher, up towards VWAP, up towards the 9 EMA. And then in the last 5 seconds of this candle being opened, we closed, sellers stepped in, and we closed under the level. This is where I had confirmation. I had the confidence to take this trade. I entered puts, and then I waited to see if it was going to play out. As you can see, the next candle opened. We did go above the level. So if I go off of that candle, you can see we did go above the level, but we closed underneath. That is what I'm looking for the following candles after I enter the trade. So we closed underneath, then another 10-minute starts, and we go above the level, but we're not closing above the level. We closed underneath again, and I just kept getting more and more confident in this trade. Of course, I would love for it to enter, and then we just trend immediately, but I just sat in a little bit of back and forth, just these candles, just kind of waiting, probably for this 9 EMA to catch up. And as you can see, we dumped. And we went straight to this previous week low. These are the lows back from that low from Thursday last week. And once we hit that low, we pretty much just stayed right around that price. So tomorrow, what I'm looking for is a break of these lows from today. So around this area right here to break this level right here tomorrow. This trade ended up giving me a profit around a gain of a little over 100%, which was a fantastic trade. And this is what I'm looking for just about every single day. Obviously, we're not going to get these big trend days every single day, but this is what I'm keeping my eye out for, and this is why I trade. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.